We are at Zimmer Group India factory inauguration at Kingfi, Pune. I'm with Mr. Pradeep Katti, Deputy General Manager of CUMMINS India, Senior General Manager, CUMMINS India, and he is handling the EBU unit.
Yeah.
And as I had an interaction with him, I came to understand they are using a lot of Zimmer grippers in their factory setup. Can you elaborate on that, Mr. Katti?
Yeah, we at Cummins are having different plants for engine manufacturing in India, and we have machining lines for cylinder blocks, cylinder heads, and particularly with respect to Zimmer, we have a long association from last 15 years. We are having almost more than 9 lines in our factory for grippers.
Okay, most of the Zimmer products until now was manufactured, assembled in Germany and brought to India and sold to you, or was it assembled here?
No, it was assembled in Germany and it was imported to India, and India in turn was selling it to us. And now Zimmer, since they are coming up with new plant in India, definitely it will help us to reduce the cost and also service part of that.
So you should be pretty happy in the sense that the product would be offered much quicker to you, and the service quality would also increase with the inauguration of this particular factory.
Yeah, I'm very delighted because they are very good at service right from the beginning, even though they are out of India. But now being in India, it is more advantageous to us for quicker services as well as quick supply of the parts.